Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV TGTV. And today I'm reporting from the Comfort Inn & Suites Miami International Airport. We just checked in. It's mid/end of March. We're stuck in Miami. I found a pretty good deal, and I found out this is a pretty new hotel. So I figured let's check it out. Yeah, everything looks pretty new here. And clean. Very clean. As a matter of fact. Alright. Lots of flowers on the floor, which is interesting. Okay, so let's turn on some lights in here. AC is blasting. Oh, there's the pool. Looks pretty decent. So this is 2 queen beds here. Nice floor. Huge TV. Interesting artwork. Yeah, this hotel must be very new because everything in here looks and feels very new. Yeah, and downstairs in the lobby, of course, they had coffee, water, tea, complimentary. Looks like it's 24/7. And this, closet. Yeah, this is a very clean room, I have to say. You don't get this too often. Have you guys stayed at this hotel before? Do you have any experiences with Comfort Inn & Suites hotels in Miami? Please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel-related videos from all over the world. TGTV. Peace.